Today we are solving one of the easiest string type LeetCode problem, which is finding needle in a haystack. Before going to it, let me explain about what a string actually is. A string is basically a sequence of characters. They may be letters, numbers, or symbols arranged in an order, like this string $KSMO and 2. Here we have special characters and also the numbers inside the string. In the Python string, especially in it, um, it acts as a array. So we can access each character by their indexes, like this, like s of 0, which will access the dollar symbol, s of 1 is k, s of 4 0 1 2 3 4, fourth index, which is the letter O. In this problem, we use this property to compare characters one by one. Here, we are given two strings. One is needle and another one is haystack. We need to find the needle inside the haystack. Problem says that we need to return the first index of the first occurrence of the needle inside the haystack. For example, we take a string called badass. Here, we need to find the needle dash inside the string at the first occurrence. Here we find the dash from 2 index to 4th index. So we need to return the index 2. In order to achieve this, we simply need a loop to hover over the string. Simply we will slide through the entire string by taking two pointer approach, like this: I and j. I will pointer to haystack and j will pointer to needle. By using these two pointers, we can find the match inside the haystack. The problem says that if we didn't find any match, we need to return -1. If n value is greater than h, which is the length of the needle is greater than the length of the haystack, which will not happen. So inside the loop, we need to compare each character. For example, here the haystack is raceter and needle is sat. I will be at R and J will be at S here. So we need to compare the needle with the haystack. Here R is not equal to S. So I will be updated like this. See, it is not equal. J will stay at J only and I will update to A, and again I will update to second position, but j will be at 0 position at needle only. So here we compare it again, s equal to s, so update both like this, and again update both. Here sat is found at in this occurrence, so we need to return this index as the value. So we will simply remove the length of this needle from the current index. Now that's the needle in haystack, solved in an easy and intuitive way.